Welcome back. Last lesson, Alex ended up with a strong brand new password. Today we make her account very hard to break into by adding a second lock. It's called two-factor authentication, and it takes about a minute to set up. Let's do it together. We're starting in Alex's workspace. Down at the bottom of the sidebar, there's Settings. Everything about the account lives here. The section we want is called two-factor authentication, and right now it's off. One click, turn on two-factor authentication. And here we go. LeanProjax shows a QR code and right under it, a manual setup key. Open any authenticator app on your phone, Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or a password manager, and scan this code. From that moment, your phone makes 6-digit codes that change every 30 seconds. To prove the phone and the account are linked, we type the current 6-digit code from the app. Then, verify and turn on. And look what came back. 10 recovery codes. These are your spare keys. If you ever lose your phone, one of these gets you in. They're shown exactly once, so use copy all and keep them somewhere safe. A password manager is perfect. Now the real test. Alex signs out and tries to get back in. Email and password. Same as always. But now there's one more step. The account asks for the 6-digit code. Read it off the Authenticator app, type it in, and sign in, straight into the workspace. That's two-factor authentication. Even if someone steals Alex's password, they can't get past this screen. And that's your account, properly locked. A password plus a code that changes every half minute, plus spare keys in case life happens. In the next lesson, we take a proper look around the workspace, where everything lives, and how to find your way around fast. See you there.